Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we got one of our newer products on a really cool looking Ram 1500. But before I get started, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, feel free to call the store. We can walk you through a lot of different questions you might have, and we have good answers. That being said, come on, John, let's take a look what we got here. Well, we got Ram 1500 here, and as you can see, this guy's got a lot of accessories on here. He did the fender flares, he did the bumper, he did this cover for the tailgate, and he also did this little spoiler for the tailgate, which I wasn't quite sure if this Retrax EQ would work with it. But before we get into how everything works, take a look. It does work with it. So if you think about getting this little spoiler for your truck, it does work. We just lifted up slightly more at the tailgate so accommodate that. So that works really good. Now, if you're not familiar with the EQ, it's their latest model from Retrax. Now, some of the differences in here is they have smaller slats. Now, if you look on here, John, go ahead and get in there. Now, why is smaller slats better? Basically, they condense a little better, so they have a smaller canister. The canister in here is going to be about 2 inches smaller than the standard canister, so that's really good. Now, this holds 500 pounds. Now, it's going to have a 5-year manufacturer warranty on this. So let's go ahead and open here we go. There we go. Now, this is programmed to his remote. Also has an app that can work with it. So let's go ahead and, now you got to hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on a second. 1, 2. There we go. I guess I can't count. So this works with, you don't have, the reason a lot of people like this is so you don't have to have another remote on your keychain here. So it basically, a lot less to carry around. And a lot of people like the idea that you're using your factory remote. Now with the app on this, you can also do here. Let's see here. Well, I see we got a light on here. You can see the canister over there. So again, you just go ahead and we're going to push this real close. 1, 2, 3. There you go. It closes here. I do see the drainage tube's out, which I guess when they were putting the thing in there, they knocked it out. We'll go and put it back in. But beyond that, it's no big deal. Again, the Retrax, this is the latest model from Retrax, and it's the EQ. And we can ship this anywhere in the country, or you can come here in the store, let us put it on for you. We do give you a 1-year labor guarantee on the installation, which is really nice. Got a really nice seal here, which I do like. This seal does a very good job of keeping the water out. Now, they're not waterproof, as you know. They don't make a waterproof cover. I know I still get customers in here expecting a submarine. They just don't do that. So keep that in mind. If you're expecting to be super, super watertight, it's not going to happen on any of the covers. These are weather resistant or water resistant. But they do a really good job on it. It does, a lot of times customers will tell me, well, my Retrax doesn't leak water. And you probably, in Florida, we get monsoons down here. If you live in another state, you probably will never see a drop of water in your bed. The way our weather is here in Florida, I mean, it rains like crazy down here, so sometimes you might see a little water in there, or you go through a high-pressure car wash, you might let a little water in there, but that's about it. All in all, great product. I like Retrax. We've been selling Retrax products for many years, and I tell you, it looks great, functions good, and I think that's about it. So if you need anything else, just give us a call at the store, and before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.